Hello everyone, welcome back to our show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at the HD. This is a dual lens solar PTZ camera. No need for extra power, no need for complicated cables, and 365 24/7 uninterrupted monitoring. Nice. Alright, let's show you guys what you actually get. They give you a trial plan, which is actually pretty cool. So if you guys want to use it with that, because of 4G, you guys can also use your other 4G cards. That's up to you. Take a look at the solar panel now. This is nice. This is a big solar panel for security cameras. Normally, they're like from here, just a little square. So that's actually really nice. You get plenty of cable. It is a Type-C, which is really nice as well. All of your mounting brackets, your hardware, and all that fun stuff. Brackets. Most people just like to see the actual camera. So, here we go. You guys ready for this? Take a look at this thing. This thing is not going to miss anything. Of course, make sure you peel all the plastic off of everything. You can see the rotation here. So if you want one camera facing out that way, you got your front camera facing this way, no problem. Make sure you put your antennas out for better signal. But yeah, just simple mounting hardware. You just simply connect your solar panel right onto here. It is so easy. They make it easy. Let's see. Yeah, under here you put the TF card and reset. SIM under there. Very nice.